someone who wants to start a business here. कोई बन जाओ. हाँ. ठीक है, आपका नाम? Khushi. Okay. This is Khushi. Can you raise your hand for everyone? Okay, to see. Okay. This is Khushi. Now, I don't know how to draw you differently and not even try. I've done some stupid things in the past. I regret my drawing skills. Okay, so this is Khushi. Now, Khushi, you want to start some business. Tell me, what would you like to start? You want to start a mobile phone manufacturing company. कुछ थोड़ा मतलब ऐसे नॉर्मल मैं हिंदी में बोल पाता था
सर उसने एप्पल का आरओसी देखा.
अच्छा, कुछ ऐसे चाय बेचो, कैंडल, कॉफी, है ना? हम क्या, हाँ, फूड बेचते हैं, है ना? Where you from? I wish you were from Gujarat. फिर हम ढोकला खोल सकते थे. Okay, so let's say Khushi's Bhakarwadi. Khushi's Bhakarwadi. That's like a snack in this area. I don't know how to Bhakarwadi. Okay, so Khushi sets up a fantastic niche gourmet Bhakarwadi store, and she's doing really good. Okay, she's just cranking out cash out of this business, and she's very happy. Chitra is come. So you're breaking Chitra's moat now. And somehow you're dealing with this magarmach yourself. Now, what happens is that while she's building this fantastic business, she's also writing her CFA exams. And she managed to pass her 3 levels. And she's been offered some high-fi fancy job in some investment bank. So now she wants to take the job. But this business is also doing well. So do you think she should shut down? No. Then? Appoint someone to run the business, right? So she says, okay, let me go and appoint 1, 2, 3 folks, right? And these 3, let's say her uncles maybe. So this is uncle 1, uncle 2, and uncle 3. Now she went to these uncles and uncle said, listen beta, itna hamare paas time nahi hai. So I don't think we can run the business for you. But if you want, we will hire someone like a store manager who will run the business. We will oversee. Okay. So uncle says, fine. We will hire one guy, a store manager, but just to make him feel good, let's call him CEO. Okay. So he is the CEO of Khushi's Bhakarwadi. Now CEO is running the business, cranking out cash. And the idea is very simple, that whatever cash CEO is getting, big part of it, he would want to return that to Khushi. Okay. Once in a while, if the CEO feels that maybe I should set up one more Bhakarwadi store, then maybe some part of the cash he should redeploy in the business so that second Bhakarwadi store will be open. With me on this? Now what happens is some time passes and now the CEO thinks that, okay, fine, Khushi is making a lot of money, but what about me? Right? So then the first thing he does is he says, I need more salary. So uncle say, okay, fine. Maybe he's doing all right. Then he says, listen, I'm running the business. I also want a part of the ownership. So please give me more ESOPs. Okay. Now he goes to uncle. Now uncles are either disinterested or uncles are saying, you know what, fine, you want more salary, then because we are not getting much, so you also help us a little bit. Right? So CEO's job now is to keep uncle happy. So maybe give me more ESOPs. ESOPs means ownership in the company, employee, stock option, plans. After a while he goes and he says, you know what, this Bhakarwadi store has expanded. Now I need to keep on traveling and it's taking too much of my time. Can we please buy a helicopter? Okay, or a private charter so that my traveling time will be reduced. Then some time passes. Now, CEO's daughter has a lot of interest in koi random cheez bolo? That Korean drink people drink, no? Bubble bala, boba drink. So CEO's daughter is very interested in boba. So boba hi bolte hai, no? I'm not making fool of myself, right? Okay. So then he sets up a boba store under Khushi's brand, Khushi's Boba, and okay. No, sorry. So he sets up a store, and now his daughter is basically the operator or a mini junior CEO of that store. Are you following this? And after a while, he says, okay, fine, it's good, everything is going nice, but I need a little more money. So then he figures out somehow to fudge the books. That means show a little less revenue than what it is. So he does some sort of a accounting fraud. Okay. Once in a while, then he got an idea. He invested into a new house. Okay, somewhere in let's say Sarashipet, and because he's the CEO, he made company take that house on rent, and he paid a lot of excessive rental to this particular property. Are you with me? Then CEO what also does, he sets up a new company, and he says going forward this new company, of which CEO is the owner, is going to be the sole supplier of Bhakarwadi material. Why? So that this company will make a lot of profits, and obviously company is owned by whom? CEO. Do you think these are legitimate problems? Yes. There you go. That's your subject. This is called corporate governance.